give you more reviews about dishwashers and some other appliances. Alright, let's get started. Here we come to this hot point. It is pretty easy to use, so I would recommend this hot point because it's easy to use. Hey Mary, may you please move over? And here we come to the Samsung. I would not recommend it because this might have some control board problems. And here we come to these LGs. I would recommend it because it's pretty easy to use. Then here we come to the KitchenAid.
No, I appreciate it. We're taking
Pro
a detour
Wash,
looking
Tough, Normal, Express, Rinse Only. This is pretty easy to use, so I would recommend this also. Here we come to this KitchenAid. I would recommend it because it's easy to use. And I'm not actually gonna review some other appliances. I will do that in my next video. Then here we come to this KitchenAid. Oh, it's only for display only. It's easy to use. It's easy to use. So I would recommend it because it's easy to use. Okay, that's my review.